Hi friends, this is Jeevan. Okay friends, today we'll see about what is this 12 not 10 future vehicles or any future thing to transportation. In next thing after we'll talk something a keypad phone. You can think before one before 20 years is a key thing, but now in our now smartphones it is who have invented that thing. You can show that also they cannot believe that it is my phone. I have found this phone, I have found that phone. For them, you have shown that it is not confirmed, it is my phone. This kind of things you will see top 10 things in this. Okay, this transportation or future vehicles. In our future, is a big things about why means in our Asian countries. Okay, in our Asian countries or some other countries like Mumbai. We will keep it as Russia's Mumbai. You can see that how much traffic in our Mumbai, or you can keep it like in Delhi. Of course, in Bangalore, this kind of cities are there with very rush traffic. Because of it, some top 10 things is there to transport our things and we. Okay, this kind of things are there. We'll talk about this kind of things about top 10. Okay, if we have any extra we can talk about thing. Okay, first thing will come from like minute to top. Okay, minimum to top we can come like that. Okay, top 10 in that first we'll come to 10 9 8 third. Before going to our video, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Now we'll go to our video. The first thing is the vehicle in China. In this vehicle there is a big thing. You can see that the two sides of a big road, this kind of this side. Okay, in these two sides also you can see that the track to go some vehicles. Okay, I think so much people know this vehicle, but we have top 10. It is a lower thing, because of it I have kept the common thing. Before going to top, you can see so much things about this tree. Okay, this is an 9th or 10th thing. Okay, in that the railway station path means side platform. Okay, you can keep that 1500 people in that one track, means on the platform of that top. Okay, because of heat it is a big thing and big invention in China. Okay, not only in China, in other countries also. Okay, after that we will see our second thing, right? Okay, we'll come first, we'll complete this. Before that, please subscribe to our channel, and I want to tell a small note. If you want to earn money, I have a earning playlist. You can go to that and you can also earn money. Okay, we'll come in that platform 1500. One flight of big flight, it can store only 1200 to 300, but this platform can control or capacity of it is 1500. It is a minimum thing they are telling that, but it could be who also don't know this kind of things. Okay, because of it I am uploading this. Okay, this is our first thing. We'll go to our second or ninth point. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, it is our second thing. It is a second thing, it can come very fast and fast. It's a main thing to come fastest. In this thing it is a very fastest thing. We'll launch this. Okay, this is a thing of a flying taxi. Okay, in Qatar they are practicing that and training that to launching this future vehicle. Okay, I am seeing that in our front screen, but I will put there. Okay, it is an four sides of wings are there in the taxi. In the center of cube like thing, okay, cube like an thing or compartment. In that they can sit, or they can sit, and we want to tell where we want to go, it will go there and it will stop. Okay, this kind of things are inventing of Elon Musk also there in this kind of things, but in this not. Okay, this is an biggest or second thing. Okay, you can think that, or you can imagine that you are in coma, you are get up in 2013. Okay, after get up you are seeing outside there is an flying, all the cars, not all the cars are not there in road, these are flying roads. Flying means the flyings are there, they are flying, the cars are flying. If you are seeing the top of our or the sky, you can believe that it is a thing. Okay, now we can go to our third thing. Okay, we have talked about flying car. Now this is a thing, you can go with your bike, same like that. You are in coma, you are get up in 2030, the bikes also flying in the top of that. You can believe it, it is also real. I think some of them their thing it is a second thing is common, but it is ranking 8th place in our rank. Okay, with why it is ranking 8th rank, it want to go to 10th rank, it is a special thing. In this is there is a speed of it is very high, because of it I have kept in this 8th rank. Okay, like that car, it also have, but it's not have the wings, it can have boosters wings, these two types also there. Boosters is, and the gravity of it, they are controlling this kind of things also coming in extra time, but the now is the flying with the wings. Okay, this is an 8th place ranking in our thing or list. Okay, after that the 7th point, or the 7th point, or the fourth thing. Okay, we can talk it as 7th rank. Okay, this is our 7th rank. It is not transporting a vehicle, it is not the vehicle or thing, it is a transportation thing, not the 2030, it is a flying time or generation. In now, it is a now thing, it is a China invention, it is ranking the 7th rank, because it is an easy and we can fuel our cars without any second wasting our time. Okay, it is an road, it is a 4-lane road, but there is an extra road, there is an board, they have kept that 4-lane road, but there is 5-lane road, because in that extra 1-lane road is a charging road, means which is an electric cars are there, it is we can charge our cars with that free with solar system. The China country is giving this thing to free to their people. They are inventing this kind of thing also. Because of it, I have kept that 7th rank. What is the thing is, they are giving that free to every people in that country, and you can use it for any time. Okay, because it is an instant thing, they are giving that instant thing in this traffic or in this heavy transportation of this generation. Okay, because of it they are giving this kind of things, because of it I am kept this in 7th rank. Next we have this in our 6th rank. Okay, we have this in our 6th rank. You are in America, you can know this, it is they are giving that. Okay, these cars is this car's company's name is Active. Okay, it is a car of BMW. They are giving this car with that. Okay, I don't want to advertise anything, but I am telling the common thing. Okay, after that, this common thing, you are in taxi, you are booking the Active taxi. Okay, it is a car coming, you also going in that car, and you are realizing that there is no one, only you are there in that car. It is an automatic car, like we have seen our ninth rank, like that it is a sixth rank, but it is a transportation car of America. Because of it, it is ranking our sixth place. Okay, we are ranking it is sixth place. This is a small thing, nothing to explain in this, but it is an interesting thing. Because of it, we have our seventh thing. Okay, next, the real life hero means not the hero like our film cinema system, this kind of, not real. Iron Man as is real in the company of what it is, uh, the company of Gravity. This is a company who are releasing that the company, it is a thing transported by Elon Musk. Okay, you can sing that film of in game Infinity War. You can keep it as anything of Avengers. There is an Iron Man. There it is an yellow suit, but you can fly like that. Okay, it is ranking in our fifth place. Okay, it is ranking our fifth place because before that we have seen that technology of transportation and future vehicles, but it is an instant thing without any using the cars or anything. You can fly with our own hands without any gadgets. Not a gadgets. We want that some gadgets to fly that kind of thing, but not like an graphics like Iron Man is flying this kind of. We want to have some air technologies. This kind of things are there. It is ranking our fifth rank. Okay, we can fly this with they have gave that suit. We can keep that. Okay, it is at fifth rank. We are ranking that, and the next thing is it is a thing, but I get that in the fourth place. Okay, I will tell that what is the fourth place is. You are parking in the car parking like that kind of thing. Okay, normal life you are going like that, but it is a twist is there. You are parking that, the parking is going down, there is a tunnel, there is a parking is like an plate it is there, like it is going to, like we are in Bangalore, we want to go Delhi. Okay, it can go with a very very fastest thing. Okay, what is the speed, of 300 to 400 kilometer per second. It's not the big thing. Okay, this kind of speed is there. Okay, because of it, it is an biggest thing is going on. Okay, it is also of Elon Musk technology. Okay, it is a tunnel, and it is a thing they will transfer that this kind of 4-5 tunnels will be there. Bangalore to Delhi, Bangalore to Mumbai, Bangalore to Chennai, and Bangalore to Kochi. This kind of tunnels will be there in the down of it. It is a technology of Elon Musk. So much things are Elon Musk. They want to change the transportation of our world. They are telling that specifically the Elon Musk. Okay, this is ranking the fourth place. Now we will go to our top 3. Okay, we are in our top 3. In the top 3, it is a second, not the third. Okay, it is an cycle. What? The cycle is ranking the second place, not the third place, because it can go in ocean. You see, you can keep it as any ocean. It will not fall. You are crashing like that or that. Okay, it is a thing of Manta 5. Okay, Manta 5 is a model of it. You can fly, not fly. You can cycling like that in the ocean. Okay, you can imagine that you are going the cycle with the top of it, but you are in the ocean. You are shocking that in the center of our ocean, not the beach side. Okay, you are shocked that it is real because the cycle, but it is any ocean it can fly, not fly. We can cycle that because of it is ranking third place in our list. Okay, now we have top two bikes or car. Okay, anything you can keep it as top two. Okay, we are in top two. You can keep it as any car, any bike, any transportation vehicle. We are exporting into high level. Okay, it is an can expert thing. Can I will only tell it is rocket. It is a main thing, and the new thing is going to London to America. Means we'll keep it as uh, New York to India, New York to Delhi. This kind of things it will come into 1 hour. Okay, because of it we have kept top two. Okay, we can see in our normal life of transportation it is car, bus, car, bike, this kind of, or aeroplane, train, a ship, or extra thing. But it is a new thing with the transportation of rocket. We are using the rocket for who are in NASA for them. NASA is so any extra to space, going to space. Because of it we are using, but it is a new technology. The company of it is SpaceX. You can search the SpaceX. You can also click this also. Okay. Now we are in top one. Okay. This much of telling. Okay. How much time I am telling? What is time? Wow. 18 minutes. I am telling this news. Okay. Now 3 seconds are there. I want water. Okay. I will tell the top one. It's okay. It is an thing of Hyperloop. Okay, it is a scientific thing. Okay, physics thing. Okay, this is a thing of a very magnetic force. With our magnetic force we can go South India to North India in 1 hour. That much of speed, like an pendulum going, this kind of thing is there, the pendulum. Okay, in that pendulum this kind of thing. Okay, the speed, this kind of nothing it could be. Okay, like the Shami is bowling with the normal speed. Okay, it is going very faster, but it is in speed, it is in some kind of speed. This kind of thing, the any fuel, any electricity wasting, they are using this kind of thing. You can believe it. It is explaining of Italy. Okay, in Italy to Rome, they are this kind of countries who have there. But in this list, anything is not there in our India. Because of it, I am sad. Not sad. Okay, something of it will be there. Okay, because of it, something is there. Okay, after in our future we can also invent anything. Okay, this is an Hyperloop. It is an fastest railway, like after that it is also a tunnel, like a, if you have, I think, a bullet gun. Okay, it is a gun pistol, it is a bullet here, it is an open thing. Okay, when you are shooting like this kind of thing, it is going to out. This kind of thing is there, it is something happening there. Okay, it will become very faster, they are telling like that. In this very common thing is that mentha 5 and which will come very faster, and the second ninth top, and I will tell the 10th top. These three will come very faster in our world. Okay, the video is going very long, I want to tell something and I will finish this video. Okay, it is, I have the earning playlist, you can go to that and you can also earn money. So much type of videos I am uploading some days. Okay, and this is our end of the video. Until then, bye from